We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I will show how you can connect your DJI RSC2 gimbal to your respective camera. So interconnect them together. So to begin, alongside the gimbal itself, you should have gotten the wire, but if you didn't, that's fine. Just get the Type-C to whatever output your camera has. Get the wire that is Type-C, Type-C to whatever output your camera has. My camera has the micro USB, as you can see. So here's the Type-C, here's the micro USB. So now the output or interface that you should insert the Type-C in on the gimbal is located right here, as you can see. So find the RSS/camera icon, put it in. Now find the output on the camera end. Mine is located here. Insert it. And well, now both camera and gimbal are interconnected. Anyway, that will be it for this video, so thanks for watching and bye bye.